Hi guys, we're here at our Seaforth duplex. About 2.5 years ago, we were engaged to design and build this luxury Hamptons duplex. On this project, our client wanted a Hampton style home with a large open plan living and entertaining area and high-end finishes throughout. We started this project in April 2018 and completed and handed over in August 2018. So the quick and easy installation of the Linea weatherboards was a big factor in our speed of construction. James Hardie Linea weatherboards are the perfect choice, and here we've used a 180mm, and because the Linea weatherboards come pre-primed and ready to paint, the finish holds for longer. 2 years on and here's the proof. This home is still looking amazing. You can see the Linea weatherboards have not aged at all. This product is truly built to withstand the harsh Aussie climate and the unique challenges we face. And check out this bold navy paint color. The fibre cement holds its form and there's no visible cracking or peeling. And we are super happy with how incredible these weatherboards still look. I'd like to introduce my client on this project, Nick Holden.
Good morning, I'm Nick and this is my house. We worked with Futureflip on this project. We wanted a couple of things: speed of construction, quality of construction, and also with the James Hardie cladding to achieve the Hamptons look, we got a really great result. And I'm so happy how the James Hardie Linea weatherboard has held up over the years.
Why did you choose the Linea weatherboard by James Hardie?
Being an Australian company, we were then assured of the quality of the product. I do work with James Hardie as part of my manufacturing business with modular walls.
So Nick, have you had to do any upkeep on the house, or has there been any defects or any?
Between the board and the paint finish, it's been really low maintenance for us. Happy with the Hamptons look, and it's still, we get people stopping out the front all the time to ask what product we used, what the colour is, and who built it.
This was an incredible project for us to design and build. And 2 years on, we are so happy with how good this project still looks. So if you'd like to find out more, go to the James Hardie website today.